and what I am, everything, it's for you. This weekend I got this award, and this is for you.
Congratulations. Amazing.
Thank you. And in the beginning of this today's session, you mentioned that, soon ILH will be known to people. I must let you know that this event, 70 to 80% of the awardees were from ILH. Like,
Wow.
we met there, then finally we started asking each other, are you from ILH? Are you from ILH? Are you from ILH? And yes. So the impact is already out there. You don't know what you're creating. So my niche is relationship, and I'm a self-worth mentor. I'm currently based out of Gurgaon. And the hackathon was literally like a reincarnation. I've been in the community since 7th July of last year. But this time it was like literally like do or die situation. And being the pushing factor of Rising Eagles, all 10 of us, and we just had to do it. I changed 3 niches, and I finally used a golden triangle. I'm not that great. I'm tech savvy, but I'm not that great with tools and everything. And I had massive breakdowns, if I can call them, in terms of my laptop, my phone, my this. But this time I was like unstoppable in the face of no agreement. And I recorded my courses on my phone. And it's I had to do it, and that's about it. And one of the courses that I have with the bonus is about monetizing talents. So I used your technique and I learned freelancing. I went to digital market, I learned freelancing, and I started servicing ILH clients. And that is where my biggest breakthrough came in. And I'm actually choking. I'm too emotional right now.
No, you're doing fine, and it's amazing to see how you started that journey with Gaurav and learning there. And tell us, continue, please.
And the only way there were few things that that always stayed with me that you said. They kind of became my inner voice. So one thing you usually say is that if you want more of something, do more of that. So I realized, I don't know if I got that line correct, but I got the gist of it correct. So my biggest thing was, if I have to be a freedom finisher, I actually wrote it all over my house. I put sticky notes and everything, freedom finisher by 30th September. It was all over the vision board and everything. And it was literally all over my house. And so all I knew is that I had to create freedom finishers. So in the last hackathon, I ensured that my clients became freedom finishers through digital market. And this time I pushed my entire Rising Eagles to become freedom finisher. And I have clients also in this hackathon who became freedom finishers. So
Nice.
it had to be. The Stranger's Secret, from August 1st of last year till 17 Jan this year, without fail. It was just there. Yes, I've become a little irregular with it, but I don't know what it did to me, but a lot of things changed. A lot of things changed in the community. Friends changed. I evolved. Relationships changed. And of course, I've written so many mails to you about it also. And
Yes.
The next thing was, I'm sorry, I'm taking a little bit time. It's just that
Go with the flow.
I really couldn't have gone through this journey without some massive supports from Fazal and lots of push from Hemu. Fazal has been literally like the wind beneath my wings, and Hemu has been that danda that I always needed. He would always give me new targets to achieve, and okay, he's still giving me targets. So these two people, they were like unbelievable in the faith they had in me. And of course, huge gratitude to my entire Rising Eagles team and Gaurav Gurbaksani for his faith in me. And my eyelash customers who inspired me. They didn't see my name this time in the list, and more than anybody else, I got really stuck because of the systems. And if you had not extended the date till the, I wouldn't have been able to make it this time also. They kept messaging me, Suchi, where is your name? We don't see it in the list. With morning, evening, they were messaging me. It was like so amazing. So huge gratitude to all of them. And what I learned was that if you've made up your mind, just do it. There is nothing, no stopping, nothing, no technology, nothing. It's all here. It's all inside here, and that's about it. And create more. So I am literally on a mission of creating more and more freedom finishers, and now it will be Hall of
Fantastic.
Famers.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you so much.
Thank you
for
so much. Yeah, thank you so much. What an amazing journey of transformation. And I'm glad that you have evolved so much, like trying different niches and then hitting it. And then, going into like digital markets, serving others. I mean, that's the beauty of this journey. I mean, the more you do it, then you'll understand where you're more in the flow. And super great to see you as a freedom finisher in the Hall of Fame very soon. More power to you. Keep inspiring. Thank you so much. Yes. All of you can just type PTY in the comment box. And let's have one more for today before